Hello, my friends. I have some fun products to share with you today, including those of you that do not have larger machines, die cut machines. If you just have a 6-inch machine, guess what, my friends? Guess what? You can now make a 5x7 card. What? Wait, no, the math doesn't work. Yes, it does. Because look at this. Look at this die. Hang on, we're going to measure it because now you are going to be able to do this. And it is so awesome. This die is only 5 inches because 5x7, right? It's like a hair over 5x7. You can make a scalloped die base, or you can layer on a 5x7 card. Right? Look at all these awesome things. And you can even put ribbon on the inside. I have so many samples to show with you guys. You're going to fall over. Yes, this does coordinate perfectly with our large scallops that don't have the eyelets or the little holes. So you can layer those as well. Stay tuned for my samples. Next, and if you watched my previous video, you've already seen a sneak peek for this. I've been waiting forever to release this one. It is our fish tank fold it. Now, this one is really fun, and I went a little overboard. You know me, I always keep going. I never stop, right? Talking, designing, same thing, right? Look at this. There is your fold it die back there. There's seaweed, there's a fishy, there's, what else is it back there? I can't even see, but there were so many dies that I added extra. They had to put a separate backing card in there. That's how many dies I gave you. So there is not just a normal, this is not a normal fold it. This has 2, 4, 6, 8 bonus dies. I hope you don't mind. I gave you extra. So fun. And look how cute it is. You have a little sand castle. Oh my goodness, you guys are gonna have so much fun with this. Stay tuned. Next, this one is a yummy pop-up. And why do I say it's yummy? Because you guys, this one's awesome. It is a cake pop-up. Now, on the packaging, it says 3D pop-up number 2 drop-in recommended. What do I mean? That is this die. And I'm going to show you how to do this because it's so freakishly easy you're going to fall over. 90% of you already have this die. So sit back, relax, you're good, right? But if you do not have this, really consider this. And I will show you why in just a minute. But first, let's look at some of our samples. Let's look at our 5x7 ones because I know there are a lot of you that don't have the bigger machines. Totally understand, totally respect that. But now you can do 5x7 card bases by folding your cardstock and putting it in your machine. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Love it. This is with our congrats side panel. Love it. Ooh, or how about this one? Hello, beautiful. Look at those eyelets. Aren't those fun? You know I love those butterflies. Beautiful butterflies. Ooh, or you could put an A2 card base on there. This is our pansy fold it. I love it. And then this phrase comes from our butterfly phrases. So beautiful. Oh, or you could do our cute little lily pad folded on there. Sayings for frogs. We got our little froggies on there. Open it up. Look at that. Have I told you lately that I love you? Is that the sweetest thing you ever saw? So that's more frogs to stamp, the 5x7 eyelet scallop, the lily pad folded, frogs background die, and sayings for frogs. So adorable. This one, you guys. Look at how beautiful this is. Now, this is also using the alphabet for typewriter and stencil. You Are My Sunshine card front. Look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that stunning? I absolutely love it. You are my sunshine. Love that. Now, let's jump in and we're going to look at our fish tanks first because I want to spend some time on the cake. It is awesome. Here we go. Here's our fish tank, but in a different way. This is in a shadow box. Yes, we sell this die on our website. Look how thin it is. But when you open it up, what? Look at that. Look how wide it is. It's a little shadow box. Look how fun that is. It's literally a full-on scene, right? I love that. Those little seahorses are up there. We got our cute little sand castle down there. Even the back is decorated. Isn't that awesome? Imagine sending this to someone, knocking their socks off. I wonder how many socks we've knocked off in our lifetime, right? Look at this one. Oh, we got a cute little, that is Liam. Our Liam, little peep guy in there. Look how cute he is. This is using the more sand to stamp dies, the Liam little peep, the fish tank folded, sailboat to stamp dies, the ocean floor dies that we just released, words for campers, fish tank to stamp dies. Aren't they, isn't that gorgeous? That's like one of those things where you don't stop looking at it, right? Because there's so much going on, so much fun stuff. Oh, look at the inside. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Or you could make it a shaker card. Look at this, it's a shaker card. Now, this one won Liam's favorite and Miller's favorite. They put their stickers on the back. We try to do that once in a while. This one won both of their favorites, which is a big deal. Who won? Who did this one? I think it was Cheryl did this one. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Yay. Oh, here's another one. Now, I want you to see how different these are going to be, because I know sometimes you guys think, oh, that's just going to make the same card each time. But, oh, add the mermaid. Oh, hello. Look at that. Or we have this one. Or we have this one. Look at that, you guys. That one. Here, let's try this one. Look at that. Totally different. Make the scene different. So there we have those. Ooh, or make it purple. And again, another shaker. So fun. Or add our cute little hermit crabs in there. Totally love it. I think that's so awesome. Now, let's talk cake, because I'm getting hungry. Here we go. What the die looks like when you get it. First of all, it has all these extra pieces. Those are all layering dies. They are all extra dies. You do not need to use them if you don't want to. This is the magic piece. Now, this magic piece really requires, and I highly recommend, the 3D pop-up number 2. You could also use number 1. Drop in. And why do I say that? So this die comes like a frame. Let me show you what it looks like. And I've already taped, it comes like, whoops, I'll show you. It comes like this die. This die, you probably already have it, comes like this. It's missing the inside, right? You are gonna drop in, meaning you're gonna add to it. This one had a spot for a gift card pop-up or a whole bunch of different pop-ups. So that's that option there. This one is a little different. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the cake. You are going to tape it together on these notches, one there and one there. Move it over so it looks like I'm doing it right. Just like that. Tape it, run it through your die cut machine. Okay. Then you are going to get this. And you're going to say, huh? What? Watch this. Watch this, my friends. First thing you're going to do is, just to make it easy, you're just going to fold it in half. Easy. Now, these you're going to pop up. So you're going to pop that one up, you're going to pop that one up, you're going to pop that one up, and you're going to pop that one up. Then you're going to fold it this way. Now, oh, well, you really couldn't give this as a card, right? Because it's got a big old hole in it. But there's our cake. Now we get to layer it. Now we get to decorate it. See, there's our cake. We get to layer it. We get to decorate it. Let me show you a sample really quick before I move on. Look at that. What? Look at all those candles. There might be a fire on this one. Look at that. Look at all those candles. Yes, it comes with candle dies. It comes with at least 2 candle dies, I think more. But look at that. Okay, watch. So there it is. And you're like, Stephanie, that's great, but look, uh-oh, this is not good. You are going to use a regular A2 card base. Here's a regular A2 card base. I already die cut it. I'm going to fold it and watch the magic, you guys. This is going to slide right over top. And watch this. Ta-da! You're seeing blue all the way around. This die, the pop-up die, layers inside an A2 card base. So you have that all the way around. Now, I know some of you, here it is again. You see the pink and the brown all the way around, you have brown. Now, I know some of you are thinking, well, Stephanie, I don't need to buy that I don't need to buy the pop-up thing. I can just use a card base and die cut it and then come back and die cut this and then put that inside. Technically, you could. The problem is if you put an A2 inside an A2, it's going to stick out a little bit because it doesn't layer correctly. That's why I designed this insert die, the bigger one, so it will layer perfectly inside, so you have blue all the way around, or you have whatever color all the way around. Now, let's look at what the design team did to decorate this. Ooh, this one's tied closed. It's like a little secret. Let's open it up. Open it up. Are you ready for this? Ta-da! Make a wish. Isn't that a beautiful cake? Look at that, you guys. It totally pops up. Totally 3D. Such a big surprise, right? I told you it was yummy. I told you it was yummy. Are you ready for another one? Here's another. Ooh, you could do it on a gatefold card too, or the what is this one? I want to know. The double Z fold it card base. Look at that. What? You could even do it that way. Let's look at another one. Sending warm wishes for a very happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy Happy birthday. Let's see, here's another one. Oh, inside, ready? Dun, 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 dun. Party. I love that. Here's another one. Just married. We're going to open it up. A cake. How cute for somebody that just got married. My friends, guess what? All of these awesome products, except the pop-up, 3D pop-up that you probably already have, are on flash sale right this second. The first 24 hours they're on our website, these 3 items are on flash sale. What does a flash sale mean? That means the first 24 hours or until sold out, they are on flash sale, an extra special discount. Now, club members, rest assured, not only are you getting the everyday low price, then the flash sale price, which is lower, then you also get your club discount on top of that. You're literally paying rock bottom. The first 24 hours they're on the website, you get that amazing extra deal. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you're not a club member, oh my goodness gracious, what am I thinking? Go click on join the club and just watch the videos. Watch the video, check it out, see the different options. Our clubs start as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you each month. You get a 15% discount on our website. You get club points. Every couple months we send out freebies, and if you stay in a full year, on your anniversary month, you get a $15 to $25 gift certificate, depending on which club, just as our little thank you. Can you believe it? I know. Go to our website, check it out. You're going to fall in love. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.